experiment in machine lab we are going to discuss at abnormal condition what is the amount of reactance which is offered by the alternator in case of any abnormal condition. Like for short circuit condition, the magnitude of short circuit condition is very high. So what amount of reactance the machine will offer to the flow of that high current, that we are going to measure in this experiment. So along D axis, that particular reactance is termed as XD double dash, which is subtransient direct axis reactance. In Q, that is interpolar axis, that reactance is termed as Q axis, that is XQ double dash. So that we are going to measure in this experiment. That is the purpose of this experiment. Okay. So as you can see on the panel, we need one single phase variac. Okay. And single phase variac, then RY of alternator is connected to this measuring meters. Okay. Ammeter. So R of is connected to meter, and in meter we are selecting two current ranges, 3 ampere and 10 ampere, because we need to have recording of maximum and minimum point. That is why we are selecting two different ranges, and these two different ranges we are connecting in a switch, and the common point of that switch is going back to variac. Okay, and through the variac we have connected the voltmeter. So what we'll do, we'll on the DC we'll on the supply, AC supply, single phase AC supply, and move this variac to some particular voltage, reduce voltage with respect to generator rating. Okay, and then we'll rotate the machine continuously along D axis and Q axis. Okay, and we'll record the readings of meter, minimum and maximum range. Right. One more difference is there in case of connection, that we have shorted the field by an ammeter. Okay, you please make a clear observation that we have shorted the field of alternator with the help of ammeter. It is not open. In slip test it was open. Okay, so now we'll rotate the machine manually along D and Q axis. We have on the single phase AC supply, and we have given the voltage to 30 volt. Okay, now we'll manually rotate the machine along D and Q axis, as you can see here. Okay, manually it is rotated. So machine will come at D axis at some point, and after some instant it will go to Q axis. So for this manual rotation we have to record the readings. Okay, so you can see here, and that manual rotation should be very slow. Minimum. So you can see that now we'll measure the minimum point. The minimum point is 0.4. Okay, 0.4, and then the machine is being manually rotated continuously, slowly. Minimum current was 0.4 and maximum current, the point at which needle will shift towards left side, that we have to record. So it is 0.66 into 10, because it is the scale of 1 and we have connected the meter at 10 ampere. So we will multiply this 0.66 into 10. Okay, so this is the recording of first set. Voltage was 30, minimum current was 0.4 and maximum current was 6.6. Right. Next set, we will increase the voltage by 10 magnitude, that is 40 volt. Okay, so you can see with the help of variac it is increased to 40 volt. Okay, machine is rotated. So we have applied 40 volt. Machine is rotated continuously manually. Okay, so we'll record the minimum current. Minimum current was 0.54. Once again we'll see minimum scale.
0.25 आहे.
Point 0.5. Okay, minimum current is 0.5. Now we'll see the maximum.
Now you have to shift to 10.
Okay, now I'll shift this to higher scale because I want the recording of higher current, maximum current.
ऊपर किसके?
It is just 0.25.
इसे
Once again we'll see
0.25.
0.25. Okay, so 0.25 into 10,
नहीं एग्जैक्ट 2.5
2.5. Okay,
50.
0.25. Next set we'll take at 50 volt. We'll increase the voltage up to 50. Okay, 50 volt. Machine is rotated manually. So since the switch is connected across maximum point, so we'll take that reading.
Minimum value.
We have to see the minimum value. .62, 0.64, 0.66. Okay, 0.66. Now I am going to change the switch for higher value reading. Okay, for 10 ampere selection. .34. So 0.34 into 10, 3.4. Okay, so this is the way how you have to make the observations. First we went with 30, we have recorded the minimum and maximum current, then 40, 50 corresponding minimum maximum currents with the help of ammeter, and we have simultaneously we have changed the switch. For minimum scale we went for 3 ampere, for high scale we went for 10 ampere, right? And this is the chart of this experiment. You can see one wire is open, that means we are connecting only two phase. That is why by making calculations xd double dash will be equal to v by 2 because only two phases are connected. Okay, so 30 divided by 2, and current value we have to take it to be maximum, that is 1.9. Okay, then next xq double dash, that is 30 by 2 divided by IA minimum, minimum current is 0.4. Okay, so in this way you have to make the calculations. Okay, this is the chart. Okay, so what was the ultimate purpose of this experiment? Ultimate purpose was to determine the value of xd double dash and xq double dash, that is the reactances which are offered during an short circuit current to the machine in initial condition. Okay, so this is way how the circuit arrangement is done. Okay, and you have to rotate the machine manually. Okay, that's all with the experiment. Thank you.